Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to get the glide set in Tears of the Kingdom. This special armor enhances your mobility when falling through the sky. Once you upgrade the entire set to level 2, you'll gain immunity to all fall damage, which is incredibly useful for exploration. You'll acquire each piece by successfully completing distinct skydiving challenges located on various sky islands. Let's start with the glide trousers. You'll find these on Bravery Island, situated above the Lost Woods. To reach it, launch yourself from the Thiflo Ruins Skyview Tower and glide south. Once there, speak with the Steward Construct to begin the dive ceremony. You must successfully dive through all the rings within 35 seconds to claim your reward. Next up is the glide shirt, found on Courage Island in the Hyrule Ridge Sky region. Head to the Lindor's Brow Skyview Tower and launch yourself into the sky. Glide southwest towards Courage Island. Upon arrival, engage with the Steward Construct to undertake another dive ceremony. Successfully navigate through all the green rings in under 35 seconds to earn this piece. Finally, to complete your set, the glide mask awaits on Valor Island, located in the South Lanayru Sky Archipelago. Ascend using the Mount Lanayru Skyview Tower, then glide northeast. Be prepared for cold temperatures. Once on Valor Island, speak to the Steward Construct and conquer the last dive ceremony by passing through all rings in under 35 seconds. Enjoy your complete glide set.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.